Love this trend. Wait for it.
First, download Capcut app from Play Store. Then go to Capcut app. Click on Capcut app. Click on New Project. Select the trending video, which link is available in the description. Click on Add icon. Scroll to the right side and click on plus icon. Click on Photo and select 5 to 6 photo which you like. Click on Add icon. Click on each photo and set the duration of each photo 0.8 second 1 by 1. Scroll to left side and click on Add Audio. Click on Sound icon. Click on first plus icon to extract the audio. If you want this audio, link are available in the description. Click on each photo to add animation. Click on Animation. Click on Combo icon, then scroll to right side and select Distort left animation on one photo. Then select Distort right on another photo. Now select these two animation one by one on each photo. Now click on CapCut ending video and delete the CapCut ending video. Now adjust the audio level to the video level. Now click on arrow key. Select the resolution and frame rate which you want. Click on export icon. If you like our video, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.